Good morning students. Today we are discussing about linear inequalities, chapter 6 from NCERT. All of you are very well known about the linear word. Linear means to say whose degree is 1, and equation. Equation means comparable. When there is left hand side compares to the right hand side, then that is called equation. Linear equation in one variable, when there is only one variable like x. Linear equation in two variable when there are two variables like x and y. Suppose 4x plus 3y equals to 12. This is the linear equation in two variable. Now we are talking about linear inequalities. Inequalities means less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. And these two inequalities are called strict inequalities. Strict inequalities, and these two inequalities are called slack inequality. यानी यहाँ दो पॉसिबिलिटीज है, लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू. लेस देन यानी छोटा भी हो सकता है और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल भी हो सकता है. ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू मीन्स टू से ग्रेटर भी है या फिर इक्वल हो सकता है. स्ट्रिक्ट इनइक्वालिटी या तो लेस देन ही होगा या उससे ग्रेटर देन ही होगा. नेक्स्ट इज लिटरल इनइक्वालिटी. लिटरल, whenever two literary words are given, that means there can be only one variable also. X is greater than y, x is greater than 7. This type of inequality is called literal inequality. Next is numerical inequality. Numerical inequality, whenever 3 is less than 5, 7 is greater than 5. This type of inequality is called numerical inequality. Now come to the number system. N stands for the natural numbers. And natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Next is Z, that is integers. Negative as well as positive numbers. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Next R. R is real numbers. Real numbers, that means पूरी number line. Number line 0, -1, -2 तो इनके in between ये numbers भी 1, 2, and this can be written in the form of intervals. This interval is known as open interval. Open interval means to say whenever you put something like 2, 4, it means to say and 4 itself are not included, rest of the numbers are included. Closed interval 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 2 and 4 itself are also included. Closed means to say included है. Open means to say excluded remaining numbers. Semi open or semi closed. Semi open means one side open हो, one side closed हो, and closed from this side. ओपन फ्रॉम दिस साइड मीन्स टू से जो ओपन इंटरवल है उस साइड आपका वो नंबर है जो एक्सक्लूडेड हो जाएगा, अदर साइड क्या है वो इंक्लूडेड हो जाएगा. 2 4 0 1 2 3 4. अब 4 इंक्लूडेड है, 2 एक्सक्लूडेड है, तो 2 से 4th, 2 एक्सक्लूडेड फॉर्म में और 4 इंक्लूडेड फॉर्म में. नाउ सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस. सॉल्व 30x is less than 200 when x is a natural number. First of all, solve 30x is less than 200. That means x is less than 200 upon 30. Now 200 upon 30, 0 से 0 cancel, 20 upon 3, that is 6.6. And when x is a natural number, and natural number starts from 1, अब x is less than 6.6, 2 3 4 5 6, definitely 6 is less than 6.6, 7 is not included in this, so x is a natural number. Next, x is an integer and integer starts from the negative numbers. That means some negative numbers, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now another question. Solve 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1. Now 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1. Now 5x minus 3x is less than 1 plus 3. 5x minus 3x, that means 2x is less than 4, that means x is less than 2. First part, when x is an integer, when x is an integer, अब less than 2, less than 2, 2 से छोटा इंटीजर क्या होगा 1, तो राइट सम नेगेटिव नंबर्स -2, -1, 0, 1. Since only less than is here, so 2 is not included. When x is a real number, then write it in the form of intervals. अब रियल नंबर, सबसे छोटा रियल नंबर 2 से छोटा, पहले तो 2 से छोटा, दैट मीन्स 2 खुद इंक्लूडेड नहीं है, तो हमने यहाँ पे ओपन इंटरवल लगाया. उससे छोटा आपने इन्फिनिटी तक जाना है, और नेगेटिव में इन्फिनिटी होगी वो, क्योंकि लेफ्ट साइड जा रहे हैं, और इन्फिनिटी कभी भी हमने क्लोज इंटरवल में नहीं होती, तो इन्फिनिटी ऑलवेज रिटर्न इन ओपन इंटरवल. दैट्स वाई इट्स सॉल्यूशन इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी से 2. नेक्स्ट इज 4x plus 3 is less than 6x plus 7. 4x minus 6x is less than 7 minus 3. That means minus 2x is less than 4. Now x is less than 4 upon minus 2. यही होगा. But whenever you will divide from the negative numbers, then its symbols are changed. Why? Take it an example. 0, 1, 2, 3. Since 1 is less than 2, now take negative numbers. 0, -1, -2, 1, 2. Now you will see that -2 is less than -1. -1 के लेफ्ट साइड में है, दैट मीन्स -2 छोटा है -1 से. जबकि देखो अगर हम इसी पर ही नेगेटिव अप्लाई करें, -1 शुड बी लेस देन -2, बट इट इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर लाइन. सो दैट्स वाई whenever we divide anything by a negative number, then its symbols are changed. That means its less than changes into greater than. तो 4 upon -2 यानी x is greater than -2. Now next example, solve 5 minus 2x upon 3 is less than or equals to x upon 6 minus 5. Taking LCM 6. 3 और 6 का एलसीएम 6. Now 5 minus 2x upon 3 into 6, that means 2 into 5 10 minus 4x is less than or equals to x upon 6 into 6 x minus 30. Now माइनस के 4x, इस x को भी इस साइड शिफ्ट कर दो. माइनस x इज लेस देन और इक्वल्स टू माइनस 30 माइनस 10. नाउ माइनस 5x is less than or equals to minus 40. As we have already discussed, whenever we will divide anything by a negative number, then their symbols can be changed. X is greater than or equals to minus 40 upon minus 5. So cancel it, that is 8. Yani x is greater than or equals to 8. Now next, solve 7x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 9. 7x minus 5x is less than 9 minus 3. That means 2x is less than 6, so x is less than 3. And represent it on number line. Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. X is less than 3, only less than है, that means 3 itself is not included, and remaining portion, this is x is less than 3. And if you want to write it in interval form, then write it as minus infinity से 3, यानी x belongs to, this means to say belongs to minus infinity to 3. Now next example, take the LCM of these two. 4. Now 3x minus 4 upon 2 into 4, that is 6x minus 8 greater than or equals to x plus 1 minus 4. Now 6x minus 8 is greater than or equals to x minus 3. 6x minus x, that is 5x is greater than or equals to 8 minus 3 यानी 5, यानी x is greater than or equals to 1. Now represent it on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is greater than or equals to, that means 1 also included in this. And if you want to write it on a interval form, then write it 1 up to infinity. Now next example, the marks obtained by a student of class 11th in first and second terminal exam. Terminal exams, that means there are 3 exams in 1 year, and first and second exams marks are 62 and 48. Find the minimum number, yani minimum marks he should get in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. At least means to say कम से कम, उससे ज़्यादा ले सकते हैं. Suppose that is x. Now how to find average? First plus second, and suppose in third terminal exams marks are x, and how to find its average? Upon 3 हो गया. At least 60, at least 60 यानी कम से कम 60, उससे ज़्यादा हो सकता है, is greater than or equals to 60. So 62 plus 48, that is 110, plus x is greater than or equals to, by cross multiply, that is 180. Then x is greater than or equals to 180 minus 110, and x is greater than or equals to 70. That means he should get 70 or more than 70 marks in the annual examination to have an average of at least 60 marks. Now next example, find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Now odd natural numbers, if suppose first natural number is odd natural number is x, then second is x plus 2, odd natural number, x and x plus 2, both of which are larger than 10. That means x is greater than 10, then x plus 2 will definitely greater than 10, such that their sum is less than 40. Their sum means to say x plus 2 is less than 40. Now x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2 is less than 40, 2x is less than 38, yani x is less than 19. Now x is greater than 10, x is less than 19. Find all the pairs. Very first pair, odd natural number after 10, that is 11, and next 13. Next pair 13, 15. Next pair 15, 17. 17, 19. And x cannot be equals to 19. Next pair 19, because here equals to is not given, only less than, that means उससे less 17 है, तो next number definitely 19 होगा. So these are the pairs of consecutive odd natural number, both of which are larger than 10 and their sum is less than 40. Now I have taken two questions from exercise, question number 25th and question number 26th. First of all, question number 25th, the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side and the third side is 2 cm shorter than the longest side. So let shortest side, that is x centimeter, then longest side 3 times the shortest, 3x, and third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest, 3x minus 2. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, perimeter means to say sum of all three sides, that means x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 is at least means to say कम से कम, यानी उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. So 3x plus x, that is 7x, is greater than or equals to 61 plus 2. So 7x is greater than or equals to 63, x is greater than or equals to 9. So find the minimum length of the shortest side. So minimum length x और x की कम से कम कितनी लेंथ होगी, 9. So minimum length of x shortest side that is 9 centimeter. Now next question, a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. Let shortest side x, then second length three centimeter longer than the shortest, that means x plus 3, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest, that means 2x. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third side is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the Second, suppose we want to break a piece of chalk in 3 pieces and some lengths are given to you. तो जब हम उस चौक को तोड़ेंगे, उस चौक को तोड़ के अगर उनको हम दोबारा जोड़ना भी चाहें तो हमारी वो लेंथ या तो उस पूरे चौक के बराबर होगी या फिर थोड़ी बहुत उससे छोटी हो सकती है. सो इन द सेम वे 3 लेंथ्स आर गिवन टू यू and sum of these 3 lengths is less than or equals to 91 centimeter because we have a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. So x plus 2x, that is 4x, is less than or equals to 91 minus 3. So 91 minus 3, that is 88. So x is less than or equals to 22. Now next part, what are the possible length of the shortest board if shortest board आपके पास कौन सा हुआ x, if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. अब third piece is 2x and second is x plus 3. So third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer. Longer means to say बड़ा हो गया. अब कम से कम 5, दैट मीन्स अगर मैं इसमें 5 ऐड कर दूं तब ये इक्वल हो जाएगा और उससे बड़ा आ जाएगा आपके पास. सो 2x is greater than or equals to x plus 8. That means x is greater than or equals to 8. I hope you have understood this exercise. So solve all the questions from first exercise of chapter 6 from NCERT. If you don't have the book, then you can install any app from Google Play Store. Solve the questions and ask the problems. Thank you and have a nice day.